I am still repairing my plane when the little prince says, "Do you really believe that flowers have thorns because they want to hurt others?" "No, I don't believe it, but I don't want to think about it. I am busy with my plane. It is a serious thing." "Serious thing?" He is shocked. He looks at me. My hands are touching the engine. The engine is dirty. My hands are dirty too. The little prince doesn't like the engine. But the engine is important for me. You talk like the adults. The little prince is not happy. I know that it is my mistake. I don't feel okay. But the little prince continues. You mix everything together. The little prince is angry. I know a planet with a gentleman with a red face. He doesn't have a flower. He doesn't look at stars. He doesn't love other people. He only counts numbers. And all day he repeats again and again, like you. I am a serious man. I am a serious man. And he is very proud. But he is not a man. He is a mushroom. He is a what? A mushroom. The little prince is now very angry. His face is white. Flowers have thorns. Sheep eat flowers. And you think that it is not good to try to understand why flowers have thorns. There is a war between the sheep and the flowers. And you think that it is not important. The little prince is still very angry. He continues, you think that the war between the sheep and the flowers is not more important than the numbers of the gentleman with a red face? I know a flower which is the only flower in the world, which exists only on my planet. It is a flower which a little sheep can eat for breakfast. And you think that this is not important. His face is now red. He continues, if you love a flower which is in the sky, then you are happy when you look at the stars. You are happy because you know that your flower is, he says, up there. But if the sheep eats the flower, then the sky is very sad for you. He can't say another word. He starts to cry. The night comes. I put my tools on the ground. How important are my tools, my engine, my death now? On one planet, on my planet, the Earth, there is a little prince who needs me. I take him in my arms. I hold him. I say to him, the flower which you love is not in danger. I can draw you something which can protect your flower. I can draw you a fence. You can put the fence around your flower. I can. I don't know what to say to him. I don't feel comfortable. I don't know how to talk to him, how to be his friend again. It is so strange when somebody cries. I soon have more information about the flower. On the little prince's planet, the flowers are always very simple. They are small and they don't talk. They grow in the grass in the morning, and they are gone in the evening. But it all changes one day. There is a different seed. It comes from some place which nobody knows. Soon a new flower starts to grow. First she is very small. The little prince watches her very carefully. The flower isn't like other flowers on his planet. The flower can be a new type of baobab. But she is not a baobab. She is really a flower. Soon she starts to prepare for opening. The preparation for this moment is long. The flower doesn't want to show her colors fast. Then one morning, exactly at sunrise, the flower shows her colors. And after all her preparation for this moment, she says, "Ah, I am sorry. Give me some time. I need some time to be perfect." But the little prince can't hide his feelings. Oh, how beautiful you are. Yes, I am beautiful. Look at me, the flower says, and I am born at the same moment as the sun. I think that it is time for breakfast, she says. Can you bring me some water? The little prince is surprised. The situation is new for him, but he brings water to the flower. The flower starts to play with the little prince. Her play isn't always nice. One day, for example, when she speaks about her 4 thorns, she says to the little prince, I am ready for tigers. They can come. There are no tigers on my planet, says the little prince, and tigers don't eat grass. I am not a grass, the flower says. I am not scared of tigers, but I am scared of wind. Do you have something which can protect me from wind? It is not good when a flower is scared of wind, says the little prince, and he thinks, this flower is very complicated. At night I want to be under glass. It is very cold here where you live. The cold is not comfortable. I come from a place where... But she stops at this moment. Flowers grow from seeds. They don't know about other worlds. The flower feels stupid now. She knows that the little prince sees that she can lie to him. She quickly coughs 2 or 3 times. She wants to show the little prince that she is cold and that he doesn't care about her well. The glass? I can look for the glass, but you still talk to me, says the little prince. Then the flower starts to cough a little more. She wants to show him how bad he is. The little prince has a lot of love in his heart, but he can't believe the flower. For the little prince, it is important how somebody speaks to him. And the flower doesn't speak to him well.